I'm here in beautiful Antiparos, Greece. Antiparos is a small island just off of Paros, and I'm at Oliaros Seaside Lodge, and I just want to show you what the duplex room looks like. It's a beautiful suite, perfect for families. It's got a small kitchenette, and then it's got a beautiful living space. There's two beds downstairs, and there's another one upstairs that we'll check out in a sec. You've got a beautiful patio here with a view of the ocean. Extremely quiet out here. The water is just about 100 meters down the road, and there's a beautiful spot you can swim. And there's a tavern that's just about a 10-minute walk away. So this is one of they call it a duplex. You could call it a suite. It's got a little kitchen. Upstairs, there's another bedroom here. And there's a funky little porch out here with a beautiful view. I believe there's 8 rooms or suites here. Each of them is a little bit different. They serve a beautiful breakfast in the morning, and then you can go either walk to the taverna, or if you have a vehicle or want to get into town, they have these sweet bikes for use. But it's just a funky, beautiful place here. Oliaros Seaside Lodge. And it's just very quiet and lovely. It's got a small fridge and a kitchen. It's not very close to any commerce. So you're either going to want to have a rental car, or maybe you'll do a little bit of cooking on your own if you wanted to. That's an option. You don't have to, of course. But just very clean and beautiful and quiet here at Oliaros Seaside Lodge in Antiparos.